Welcome to Advanblack's YouTube channel. I'm Steve, a service technician for Advanblack. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install the brand new color match tank dash on the 23.5 CVO and newer touring model bikes. Back here we have the 24 in the Whiskey Fire, and that's the tank dash that we have here today. Now this is a very easy install. It's only 2 bolts. We've got a couple of rubber strips and a rubber ring that goes in here. We're going to be taking some stuff off of our old tank dash and putting it on our new one. Now as you can see, the design on this is a lot different than the one that comes on the bike, but it still holds that same low profile design. And once I get the OEM one off, we'll lay them on the table and I'll show you them side by side before we get this one installed. Like I said, super easy install. So let's get the camera over here and let's get started. First thing you want to do is get your seat off, because we have one screw that's underneath the seat, and that's going to be a Torx 27 down here, and then we're going to have a 5/32 Allen up here. So we're going to take this Torx out first. Now you do have a rubber ring around this, so it's a little bit snug on there. So just pull up on the rear and wiggle it off just like that. We take that completely off. First thing we need to do is get the rubber O-ring out of our OEM one. This just simply pulls out just like that. It's very easy. It just slides around that rimmed edge. Now as you can see up here side by side, we have very different profile on this one than we do on the OEM one. This has the recess with the tank dash insert. Ours does not, because of the color match. It's going to look nice and clean on the bike. Now I've always liked the color match dashes versus the OEM one, just because it's clean and it's simple, and it of course is color matched to the bike. So with this piece here, very easy. Like I said, it just kind of pops in there around that groove. Just like that. All right. So now we have 2 brand new strips that go on here on the side. See on this that there's a long side and a short side. Of course, the long side goes to the inside. We're going to come right down here on the bottom, come up about 1/2 inch or so, and then just slide this on. And of course, we're going to do that on both sides. Now it's ready to put back on the bike. Now before you put your new tank dash on, grab your favorite detailer, and we're going to get that cleaned up underneath that dash where the old one was, and get that dust. A lot of dust can build up around these edges. We want to make sure our tank is clean before we put the new one on. Now in order to make this seal go back around this a little easier, I'll take that same quick detailer, kind of squirt it on a towel, just barely get it on that towel, and just wet that inside like that. And before it flash dries, we'll get it up here. We're going to line up this bottom screw hole down here, make sure that's lined up, and then we're going to come up here and press this on. And that gives us a nice tight seal around that. In case you spill any gas, it won't go down on the tank. So that's it on the new tank dash from Advanblack. Once again, this fits the 23.5 CVO and newer models tank. If you want to get your hands on one of these, check the link down in the description. The first 3 days after this video drops, you'll have to go through an authorized Advanblack dealer. After that, there'll be a link down there. You can click it, take you straight over to the website. If you have any questions on this, you know the deal. Comment section down below. I'll try to help you the best that I can. I'm going to get out of here, get myself back to work. I hope to see you in the next video. But until then, as always, be safe. Keep your knees in the breeze.